Established in 2005, Chaka 2 refugee settlement continues to host thousands of displaced people, with nearly 200 children born every month. Managed by the Office of the Prime Minister and UNHCR, the settlement focuses on education, healthcare, sustainable development. Equity Bank Uganda leadership recently visited refugee settlements in southwestern Uganda as part of efforts aimed at strengthening financial inclusion and improving livelihoods among refugee communities.
OPM, we partner with WFP and Equity Bank. Equity Bank is the financial service provider for World Food Program, and they help us to extend financial services to the refugees through the monthly ratios that are distributed through urgent banking. And in that regard, Equity supports us to make sure that our refugees get money, their money and food ratios near their homesteads. This is through the extended agency banking that is across the settlement.
Bogere says the bank's presence in the settlement has transformed lives through loan services and financial literacy programs that empower refugees and host communities economically.
Through these interventions, our refugees have been able to get access to finances that help them to do different activities, including getting of food in their homesteads, but also using money for other multi-purpose related activities, starting up businesses, but also making sure that they support their livelihood.
He further appealed to the bank to increase support towards environmental conservation and clean energy initiatives through partnerships that promote tree planting and reduce deforestation.
The bank is invited to support in other interventions related to livelihood, other interventions related to environment and access to energy. And as we are operating, we are so sensitive about environment. So we appeal to the bank to come and cover the vacuum related to environment by engaging with the local partners in planting of trees, but also engaging with the local partners to put a support in the energy saving activities.
Among the beneficiaries are women groups engaged in carpentry and tailoring projects through financial literacy training from Equity Bank. Many say they have gained valuable skills in managing finances and improving their businesses.
Twaigamu nti omuduso go ngakati kubanga nga group twaigamu omuntu bwakwata sente bwakwata sente asobora okuzitwara mu budde buno era mu bwo budde nazitwara nazikozesa naye nazizaayo mu kiseera kituufu kyobolaganye na Equity oba wojezo sente. Ekirala ntumanya nti bwe tujeyo sente ne wabamo umukufe n'agamba nti zino sente kanzikozese wano naremu ozisasula naremererwa kuzisasula era awo kati netumanya nti awo fena tuba dukoze eki tuba tukoze rose.
Another women's tailoring group also praised the bank for extending loan opportunities that have enabled them to grow their businesses and support their families.
Asa hii grupe ni ya mama peke yake, hamna bababa. Bababa bakajifunza anaenda fungula business yake, lakini mama wanabakia. Sasa kuhusu mafundisho yenye tulipata ya Equity, tulifurahia na tukaipenda. Sababu ya nini? Inasaidia kufanya nini? Kuongeza nguvu ku business yetu tunafanya.
As the largest financial service provider within the settlement, local leaders are urging Equity Bank and its partners to continue expanding services that support refugees and host communities alike.
Sasa tukaona ile pesa hatuwezi kuwa tunaiweka munyumba. Tukaenda ku Equity, tukafungula account, tuko na account bank, tunalipa msoro kwa URA na kwa Equity tunatia pesa, na wakati banatulipa kupitia Equity Bank. Sasa bilifikia kwenye tuliona kama kazi inakuwa ya mingi, capital yetu ni ya kidogo, tukalomba loan kwa Equity. Equity ilitupatia loan ya milioni 5 ndio, na tulitumikisha sababu ili tusaidie kununua mambo mbalimbali yenye hatukukuwa nayo, na ile pesa ile milioni 5 tunaitumikisha kwa kununua zile material mbalimbali na inaendelea kutusupport.
For many families in Chaka too, access to financial services is not only improving livelihoods but also restoring hope for a more stable future.
Mazina ni Ichimpaye Angelique, ni umuturage utuye Sweswe, ni naho nkorera business y'ubucuruzi bwanjye, niho mbukorera. Ni umucuruzi kandi ndi umwagent duka Equity duka, kandi ndi umucuruzi ucuruza iduka ya Chakara. Ubucuruzi bwanjye Equity duka nikuyemo ibintu byinshi. Icya mbere nishyura abana school fees, icya kabiri naguzemo hika y'itaka, icya gatatu nongera nagura ubucuruzi bwanjye. Icyo nabasha kuvuga ubucuruzi bwa Equity duka ikimariye cyane.
Story compiled by Julius Mahumza. This is News at 8.